Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily check the edition of the Windows 11 installed on our system. That is the version of Windows 11. Which version is installed on our system? For that, under Windows 11 click on the start button. You can also click the start button on your keyboard. Click here. Click on settings here. You can also type settings here if you are unable to find this button. I'll type settings. After typing, click on open to open the settings. So we have reached the section system. To get the information about our Windows 11, go below under system and click on about. On clicking about, you can see below Windows specification is visible. And here in the edition is visible. That is our system's Windows 11 is Windows 11 Home single language. In this way you can easily find the edition of your Windows. You can also find a device specification, that is the device name, processor info of your system. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily find the edition, that is the version of Windows 11 installed on a system. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.